Before Angie Dickinson took over the role of Sergeant Pepper Anderson, the police department assigned her their top instructor, Inspector Foster Brooks.
Now, I'd like to turn my attention. I'd like to turn my attention to my favorite female, as far as Sergeant Pooper. I taught this young lady everything she knows, and whenever I see her on television, my chest swells with pride, and that goes double for her. It's pretty obvious that Sergeant Pepper has great physical attributes. She looks, well, she's built like a brick precinct house. I taught Sergeant Pampers one of my old police tricks. Keep a gun strapped to your ankle. That always worked well for her until one day she was disarmed by a midget mugger. I really enjoyed working with Sergeant Popo. During undercover training, we had a break-up massage parlor. She went in as a one of those people that grab you all over. And I went in as a customer. I solved the case immediately, but I didn't tell you for 2 weeks. In all the time that Sergeant Pippin and I were together, she only did one thing wrong. I took her on a stakeout and told her to be careful. Make sure you don't expose yourself. Unfortunately, she did. And I forgot all about the case.